Today, we're going to read a fun story called Lamar Takes a Trip by Auntie Sierra. Today is the day that Lamar takes a trip. He is going to see his uncle for 3 days. What are all the things he can do with his uncle? Maybe they will play football. Maybe they will ride a horse. First, he needs to pack. He looks for his favorite yellow shirt. "There's my shirt," he says. Lamar finds his blue pants in his closet. "Where are my shoes?" he says. He finds his yellow shoes down by the bed. Next, Lamar needs underwear and socks. How many does he need? He puts all the clothes in his orange backpack. Lamar is almost ready to go. Lamar goes to the bathroom to get his toothbrush. He puts his toothbrush in his backpack. Lamar takes his backpack to the car. He gets in the back seat and puts on his seatbelt for safety. Down the street they go. He sees many birds in the trees outside as they drive. They park the car in the garage at the airport. Lamar gets out of the car with his backpack. He walks into the airport. There are so many people at the airport. Lamar says. He gets his ticket for the airplane and walks to the check-in line. The airplane will be at Gate 7. He walks by many stores. At Gate 7, he looks at the airplanes on the ground. It is time to get on the airplane. Lamar walks on the airplane and finds his seat. "We are ready for takeoff," says the pilot. The airplane goes up in the air. Lamar sees the clouds and sun from the window. The airplane has snacks and drinks. Lamar gets nuts and soda. "We are here," says the pilot. The airplane comes down. Outside, Lamar sees his uncle and gives him a big hug. "Are you ready to play?" he says. They will have so much fun. What do you think they will do next? Enjoy this book and more. See you next time.